Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to explain you about my ACC trade which I took last week. And if you remember 2 weeks back, I came up with this stock analysis ACC video. In case if you haven't seen that, please make sure to check and then continue with this video. Basically, I used a capital of 1 crore 6 lakhs in this trade and I made a profit of 17 lakhs and the ROI would be 16%. So far the trade has gone really well for me. So let me explain you where and exactly I entered in this trade. Before that, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel and comment if you have any doubts. Thank you. Hello guys, so this is a ACC chart in weekly time frame. As you guys know that we came across this analysis like after the weekly breakout from this huge trend line which is starting from probably around 2007, right? And there was a breakout, a very good consolidation for more than 1 year, correct? 1 year of consolidation. And I told you in the previous video, that is the ACC analysis video, that I would be waiting for some kind of confirmation before I buy, and that confirmation was nothing but this one. So let me delete this so that you understand. So this trend line, right, it was broken with a very decent volume. So my average price was around 2376, which is around this area. I bought it and it went up for the day, and even the next day it was a small retrace candle. And this candle, right, this is when most would have exited, right? This is the place where most would have been, like, because initially you are in profit and then to see your profits getting vanished in next 2-3 hours, your psychology will be bad and you would want to exit, correct? So this is where you should hold on to your setup, because normally stocks like this, or any stock you may say, there will always be a shakeout. So when there is a very good rally, there will be definitely a good correction for the next move. So you have to be prepared for that, because if you look at the ACC, it was in an uptrend and then there was a consolidation, a very good breakout, and then again a retest in the this trend line, right? So this was a very perfect retest, and look at that. After the retest, it just went up like a rocket, right? So I hope you guys made money out of this analysis video, and this is why I keep uploading videos, so that you understand how to trade triangle and channel patterns. My profitable videos are not to show off but to learn, but to explain how I trade these triangle and channel patterns. Okay, if you guys made money in ACC, please let me know in the comment section so that I can upload more videos like this. And also, if you want another analysis video like ACC, please help me reach 400k subscribers. We are very close, and after 400k I will definitely come up with an analysis video for sure. And so please share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe, and share it in WhatsApp groups, Telegram channel, wherever you want. Let's go and get this 400k subscribers. Okay, so yeah, it was a very good trade. The capital allocation was huge, around 1 crore, because of the conviction I had, because it came out of a very huge breakout, right? After 15 years or 16 years, it has broken out of a major resistance, and also it has given a 1 year of consolidation. So that is why my conviction was very high and I allocated like 1 crore. Okay, so if you want to trade similar stocks like this, and if you already made money in ICC, probably reinvest that profit in JFT community, which is like, we trade like this all year, and recovery of your membership is like, I'm sure you would have already recovered through ACC. So there is a lot to make, and the bull run has just started. Okay, so feel free to join, and hoping to see you with another video. Thank you so much.